Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your OBS black screen when you try display capture. So let's open up OBS. Here you could see OBS. So let's open up display capture. So here I'm adding display capture. Here you can see I only have one source. This source has nothing in it, so it's a black screen. So let's add it. You see it's not working. So the very first thing you should try is to right click, go to transform, and then press fit to screen. Then you can see a red box that shows where the display capture is. So if this doesn't work, which happened for me, then I went out of OBS and then I right clicked on the OBS application. Then I went to run with graphics card processor. So first I tried it with high performance processor, the default one for my computer. And then I tried the integrated graphics card, which also didn't work. The two graphics cards didn't work for me. So what I did next is I went to this Windows icon, then I right clicked and went to system. After opening system, I wrote in the search place, I wrote graphics settings. So here I opened graphics settings. Then I went, so this should be at classic app. So then I pressed browse and looked for my OBS. So after I found OBS, I pressed add. Then you press options. After pressing options, you can see graphics specifications. Then you could set your graphics preference to power saving. This might work. So let's press save. Let's go. Let's close our OBS. Close OBS. And then let's open it again. Here you can see it's working. If you guys have any more problems with OBS, please write it down at the comments. Then I could read it and try to help you guys out. Thank you that you watched my video and I hope you liked it. And please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. See you in another one.